This is the garage overhead door video. But we're gonna, again, always, catching a few spares as we go. This electric receptacle outlet is inoperable. It does not work. And it's on the north interior wall. And it's not GFCI protected. It's not, connected to the kitchen some kind of way. I double checked for that because I got kitchen issues. You already know about, probably. So I'm just kind of closing this up. I'm going to get underneath the crawl space here in just a little bit. I usually do that towards the end. But this is the garage overhead door. This is a metal panel overhead door for the garage car entry. This is the control button. It's too low. It's not supposed to be closer to the threshold, to the floor than 5 feet, so little hands don't come up. It should have a warning notice posted on it. The door does not have a manual door lock, and that's a good thing. The optic sensors are higher than 6 inches from the garage floor. That's a bad thing. The optic sensors are too high. The control wires are supposed to be fastened, connected to the wall with insulated staples, and the wires are loose and they're not, connected with insulated staples. On the bottom corners of the first panel, on the bottom corners, on each of the 2 corners on the first panel, there should be spring tension notices so that you don't pinch yourself. And inside the door, there's supposed to be a warning notice, just like we don't have a warning notice around the switch that's too low. We don't have a warning notice on the door to instructions on how not to squash your child or dog or whatever. And then, so we do not have pull handles. I think I already mentioned that. Okay, the door opener is not on a GFCI protected circuit. There is no GFCI protection in the garage. So let's go a little farther. The switch is too low. Our courtesy light works. Operation seems to be okay. All right. Yay. Operation's okay. Man, we want to hear that. Now, I do not do a block test. I have instructions baked into the report on how you can perform a block test, or maybe the listing agent would like to come out and demonstrate the block test for you. I made a business decision. Do no harm. Okay? So that's in the inspection agreement that my dear client signed. That's in my inspection agreement posted on my website. I disclose that also as well inside the inspection report. I just break the beam. I come over here to this too low switch that doesn't have the notice on it. I push the button. I come over here. I take my big flat foot, put it out there. We do know that we have a safety reverse. We do know that the safety reverse works. We know that. I just didn't do a spring tension test on it. I did not do a block test. And again, I have instructions baked in the report. So I never dissuade my client from, safety is such a personal issue. Somebody should, you should adjust it to meet your personal needs.